kids, I'm going to take you behind the barn door to hear this loud, bawling goat. Do you remember this female goat? She has a wonderful personality and likes to bawl loudly. And watch her facial expressions. Pretty soon. And guess who's the father? The father is right over there, Mr. Goat. Mr. Goat. There he is. Mr. Goat. You want to say hi to kids? Mr. Goat, you want to say hi? Huh? Here's our noisemaker. She's gonna be a mama soon, huh? You're gonna be a mama. Yes, you are. She's rubbing herself against the railing there. Oh, getting so big, huh? Does that feel good? Huh? Mama to be? Oh, goodness. Look at that tummy. Yes, look at that tummy. See it from the side. There's that baby in there. There, see that big bump there, boys and girls? Sister. And she has a bump too. She's going to be having a baby also. Oh my goodness. This is the quiet bar. And then you got the noisy one on the right. But they're both beautiful goats. Next time I come back to the farm, we might see those cute little babies, boys and girls. Here she goes again. Rubbing. It's the railing. You know, Mama, you're rubbing the baby inside. It's our bar from long time, well, months ago. Here she is, and she's going to be a mama soon, boys and girls. How big she is. She's pregnant. And so is her sister here. Look at that. She is pregnant. Boy. Both of them. Maybe the next time I come to the farm, we're going to see the babies. You're gonna be a mama soon? You're gonna be a mama soon, huh? Yes, you are. You're getting awful big there. Let's see that body. Ooh, look at that. Yes. It's gonna be a pretty baby like you, huh? Look at her, boys and girls. She is huge. See the big bulger? That's a baby in there. Here we have a sunbather. Hello there. Can you wake up? Oink, oink, oink. Can you wake up? She's up.